six. Jesus. Okay, good, dude. I'm like, we're like nervous as fuck. Like,
this is fucking.
God. I'm so nervous being in here. I'm like hiding behind the camera guy.
I think I'm feeling sick.
Keeping this as safe as possible, everybody. So this is very safe. Don't worry about this. Okay, Twitch said it's okay as long as everything's safe. But just don't shake, dude. Don't shake. We're good. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. All right, great. Well, these shells like shoot back like 10 feet at you, man. All right. We're supposed to be shooting automatic AK-47s. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Yeah, that's after him. I'm gonna try again. After him, we're gonna go again. I don't know if I can shoot an automatic weapon.
I gotta stop moving every time he fucking shoots.
Nice and steady, nice and no pre-recording. Oh, he's shooting that like, I mean, he knows what he's doing. Were you not ever like nervous when you're shooting guns? First time ever?
I've been shooting since I was like that big.
Jesus. It's so nerve-wracking to shoot a gun.
Not so bad, right?
Oh man.
Oh, Jesus, dude, you did well. Almost. Jesus Christ. Okay. All right, I'll go again. I'll try again.
All right, come on back up, man. Because you got the handgun, and then you got these guns.
Show them those guns. Show the camera.
Yeah.
We got a shotgun. AK-47. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna be shooting that shotgun. I'm nervous, dude. That's a heavy gun to shoot.
You'll be all right.
Yeah. Show him. What do you think about guns?
Your girl beat you.
Yeah.
Hey, really watch like the force of like if I'm about to trip on him, just like hit me or something.
All right, this is a M1911. Black Ops Zombies.
No,
I was being dramatic.
Oh, okay, nice. I love it.
Anyway.
What's a safe distance? Like, am
Yeah.
I good back here?
I think we got it all, right? How many miles more?
Dude, you can feel it in like your whole body, dude. Like, Jesus. He's like looking at me like, you're such a baby. Like,
No, man, I see it. We see it all the time. We see it all the time.
I'm freaking out still. I don't know. Yeah, shoot guns all the time.
have you ever shot a gun before, dude?
Yeah, I shoot all the time. But I'm freaking out still because like it's shaking like crazy. I'm not used to this.
Go and they do like people do that. Like, how the fuck do you do that shit? I don't know. Jesus. I feel like ridiculous. That's not bad.
Yeah, it's
not too bad at all, those shots. Get a nice zoom. There you go with the head. Fucking tuck the motherfucker out.
Keemstar poster.
A Keemstar poster? No. No. That's violence.
Photoshop.
Keemstar.
enabling.
No, dude. Fuck Keemstar, dude. What the fuck?
Enabled.
Alright. Let's go on to the fully automatic one now. The AK-47. How about that? Oh, the Uzi. Okay. Huh?
You just scream when you're shooting us.
You want? I don't want.
Yeah.
So the Uzi's actually really easy. It's not a lot of recoil, all right? So, right hand is gonna go right here. There you go. Left hand sits under here. You can bring that into your shoulder just like that and you got it. See the rib people in the back?
Alright, it feels in my shoulder.
Yep, look through there. Line up with the front side post. Squeeze that in. Right there. And then go ahead. Squeeze the trigger when you are ready.
That's actually that's really easy to like shoot. There's like no recoil on it whatsoever. Probably the fucking stock, but that was actually not bad. That was easy. You smell it. Like fucking the bullets, rubbers and shit.
Alright, so the 8K, very similar. Little more oomph.
Shit.
Fuck.
Fuck.
A little bit more oomph.
Is that the 8K?
Okay. Let's do it.
Ah, damn. God.
So right hand.
Hold up. Hold up.
Right
Watch
there.
out. Watch out.
Left hand right up here.
Dude, this
Same
is
thing,
fucking-
bring it in nice and tight, stand up straight, lean into it, alright? There you go, you're gonna look.
Yeah, what's best now? Oh shit. Yeah, no, actually, manager.
Yeah,
NRG
you
manager.
gotta go.
Here we go.
Hey,
Jesus, that thing is rough. That is a rough gun to shoot.
no. Fucking hard it is to sit here and record.
What the heck? Alright, what do you guys think about shooting? You first.
That was insane.
What do you think about it?
Your entire body jolted
Like,
back.
seriously, it almost hurts.
Hey, this is more for
What about you? What do you think about it?
It's pretty fun, yeah. I love
Dude,
it.
yeah. Fuck terrorists and shit. Yeah.
Right hand, left hand up here.
He knows what's up, dude.
Bring it
He's,
in, look to the knock, look on the side post.
Dude, shooting guns is weird.
it's scary as fuck. Dude, this fucking shell, this fucking shell hit my foot. Shot, and then the bullet came back and hit my foot. That's some scary shit, dude.
Shotgun, you ready?
You take the shotgun first.
I enjoy
You
his
first with the
Is
shotgun.
that alright?
You.
Shotgun's gonna hurt the most, dude.
All right.
Alright, we got 5 shots.
What happened?
Is it still good?
It's good. It's good. It's good. All right.
5 shots.
5 shots? That's fine. You first. You take one shot.
Hey, does this vibrate?
Do the other shot.
Now bring it in.
Don't have to hold it.
Yeah. Take it first.
All right, manager. You can do.
That was a shotgun?
Not too bad.
It
Did
smells.
it hurt?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Go. First, bring it in, look straight down the top.
All right. Keep it hold on. I'm scared.
I got you.
Keep pulling.
Yeah. What's up, alien? Fuck.
All in forward.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Okay, so literally the pistol was the worst thing so far. In terms of like how much you feel it.
Yeah, the pistol was worse than they think.
Last one's really,
Alright.
really
Now what's, I think we got what's next? A sniper rifle?
Oh yeah,
One more? Okay.
But yes, not.
And we already shot light machine gun because motherfucker, we were
So,
busy.
man, good job.
Like, we were busy trying to get Steve from that cable. Okay, yeah, I took his eye out. Yeah, fuck it. Any zombie apocalypse comes, I'm ready now. Oh, God. Oh, God. I can't even imagine. Somebody's like rushing at me. I cannot even imagine. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? There's a scope and everything. A tripod? Yo, Splish, thanks for the 3 months.
Can I watch it? I'm gonna record him loading.
Yeah. What
Can I-
what is that?
Can we get a close up?
saw. Easiest one you'll shoot all day.
Easiest one?
Uh-huh.
That thing looks intimidating as fuck.
Super easy.
Okay.
hold it.
All right, yeah, let's take out some ice.
All right, man. Right hand right here. Right hand right here. Shoulder, left hand sits on top. There you go. Bend down. And you're gonna look for the red dot.
Am I good right here?
Right. Don't use the front iron sight, just the red dot.
Just the red hot side. Okay.
Have short control burst, 24 seconds, fire when you're ready. Squeeze on. Easy, right?
Yes. Okay, that actually that hurt a bit. Dude, that wasn't that bad. That wasn't that bad. Okay. Okay. Jesus. That was rough. Just hold it underneath, dude. Yeah. Just hold this thing underneath. Alright, let's show the camera. What do you got? Okay. Not bad. I took his fucking head out. Yep, they're gone. Yep. Fuck you, dude.
All right, and then you guys are gonna do a karting challenge, right? Yeah. You're gonna shoot with head stick. You want to go first? Super easy.
I mean, I played a lot of Call of Duty.
It's a little bit different when you do the real thing, right? All right. You want to do the? You have the carny right, and you have the carny right.
So it's a sniper.
It's a little 22 sniper rifle.
All right, Cornbread, you got this. Cornbread versus sniper rifle. Is that a fucking bolt action?
Semi-auto.
Can you quick scope?
You like this? Is this angle alright?
Thank you, Banana, for 7 months, dude.
Yeah, move over.
God.
Oh, watch.
Fuck, that's weak.
That's an easy one, it looks like. Okay.
I guess you're not supposed to feel it.
What? This one?
Snipers.
Small caliber 22. The super small bullet.
No.
What do you keep looking at? Is that
That's the chat room. You guys have any yeah, like this way, this gonna show us the saw. This is what I used earlier off stream because they were taking too long with the Ethernet cable. This thing's fucking insane. Is that the thing we used earlier? This thing's fucking insane. You feel your whole body fucking move when you shoot that. That thing's a creature, dude. Holy shit. Could you stand and shoot it like at your shoulder, like?
this one you can.
You can?
Huh?
Fuck that. That probably hurt. Jesus. This is some K-Kona shit for real.
I see you should go left, right?
Sure. Alright. Is there another gun?
Yeah, the sniper.
Oh, the sniper, okay.
So
Alright,
how do you get the challenge?
let's snipe some fucking... Six shots, 5 targets. I'm gonna, every single one. I'm gonna zoom in on that 10. I'm gonna hit the fucking, the bullseye, the fucking 10 is like green. gonna get hit. Check this shit out, y'all.
How close can I get? Can I get this close?
Huh?
Can I get this close?
Yeah.
This one doesn't have any recoil.
Hold my breath.
Bring your head back.
So hold my breath. That was to be a provocateur. Anything with a stock is easy. The pistol without the stock is actually really fucking hard and hurts your hand. Like, I know I'm a fucking baby. Yeah, I'm a fucking baby, dude.
Hey, cornbread.
This is our setup right now. Hold on, hold that. We're holding the fucking video encoder satellite thing with like a fucking long ass Ethernet cable, so because there's no signal in this room. That's a scuffed out setup.
Get it done.
There ain't no 50 cal, bro. We paid like, bro, we paid money. We paid this. We paid what we got for. Okay, this is what we paid for. This is what we got. There's no like 50 cals or anything. I mean, like, maybe there is, but I didn't pay for that.
Good 50 cal handgun, not a rifle.
I'm not shooting a 50 cal handgun. That shit.
That's a little more than the 44.
You want to hold it? So I can get a good
This
shot.
guy, it's 8 months, dude.
Get a good shot.
No. This shit. No, you don't fuck around in this shit, yo. You don't fuck around in this fucking everybody, so if you've ever shot a gun before, it's actually really fucking hard. Like, so now that one. It's actually really fucking hard to shoot a gun. I thought it'd be easy. This shit's actually hard as fuck, and it's actually scary, kind of nerve-wracking, dude. But we're talking about the theme birthday for a second and stuff. I thought the drama stopped. I thought the drama was over and ended, but it keeps coming back. Everybody keeps tweeting about it. I thought I dropped it yesterday when we talked, and I just said, everybody fucking shut up. But I wake up this morning with like, I'm tagged in tweets, everybody's tweeting each other. Like, is everybody fucking 15 years old? Like, oh my god, somebody said something about me. Oh my god, fuck this person. Oh my god, like, dude, you're not, like, holy shit. Like, we're not in fucking middle school. Shut the fuck up. Keemstar's getting involved. Dude, fuck Keemstar. Like, fuck Keemstar. Get the fuck out of here, dude. You're always coming up in our shit, dude. Like, fucking saying dumbass shit. So get the fuck out of here, dude. Nobody wants to fucking hear your shit, dude. Like, honestly. Nobody wants to hear your shit, dude. Like, I mean, Andy, he, like, I thought it was over. He's talking about it. Like, I know nobody's actually offended at this point. It's just for views. Like, there's no way somebody is still offended by this whole situation. It's childish as fuck, and my entire subreddit is just garbage. Dramas. This whole drama because there's nothing else going on because he's a boring guy.
You want? Yeah. Can you tell me that? We got, oh no, amazing.
You lost.
No, you said I did the best.
Don't count. Who did the best? I did. Thank God.
Talking about greens. One green. You did green?
I said Keemstar's trying to leech off dumb drama because he's got nothing else to talk about. Like, fuck off, man.
Good.
Is that it?
Hey guys, we're good. We're done.
Okay,
Thank you guys. I hope you had a great time.
so give us a rating. How much of a baby were we?
Nah, not the worst I've ever seen. You didn't run out of here crying.
There are people who cry? Really? Like men?
Seen it.
What the fuck? All right, cool. Well, thank you for everything, guys.
Not a problem, guys. Thanks for coming in.
All right, yeah, no worries. All right, everybody, we have to like restart the stream to get to like unplug the Ethernet cables and stuff. We're just
Show them the setup.
yeah, the setup is just AIDS right now, but we really wanted to do this. I paid like $500 to shoot all these guns, so like I was making sure this was gonna happen. Shout out to this, what's the gun range called again?
The range 702 here in Vegas.
The Range 702, shout out to them for like dealing with all our shit. We literally for like an hour was like, how the fuck are we gonna record in here and do this shit? And they dealt with our shit. They helped us with this Ethernet cable. Like, so shout out to them for real, fucking 5 stars all day. But we're gonna restart the stream. We're gonna like get back on the cellular data. We're gonna go to the fucking Vegas Strip and get drunk, not drunk. We're just gonna go to the Vegas Strip and have fun, gamble, not lose money, and just do what you do in Vegas. Okay, so I'll see you guys in like 20, 30 minutes. Hope this is an interesting thing. I really wanted to do it, and I've never shot a gun, but now I can say I've done it, so fuck yeah. All right, so let's just, I'll see you guys in like 20 minutes. Oh yeah, fuck Keemstar.